Yo guys, what's happening? Today, me and my dad have been to DK Motorcycles. As you know, well, as you probably don't know, both me and my dad do own motorcycles and I will bring them both to the channel. But my dad's been on about getting new pipes for his bike for quite a while. So today he rang me up and said, I've been thinking about it for a while, so I'm going to actually do it this time. So he's actually bought some pipes, so he's been to have a look at them, and then he got a little bit excited, so he's unboxed the link pipes anyway, without me being able to do anything. So I have the box here with the cans inside. Now I was able to persuade him to get the slightly shorter cans because, you know, got to get it for that sporty look. So let's have a look at what's in the box. Oh yeah. Oh, shablam! Let's have a look at that. Holy Christ. So, focus on me now.
You got it.
So, Dad's gone for the stainless steel Delkevic oval. Obviously, there's two of them. Let's bring the second one into frame. There you go. There's the other one. Obviously, the other one's exactly the same, so I'm not going to bother showing you. Now you can see the Delkevic on the side. Now, obviously, he went for the oval because he has got a certain type of bike. I'm not going to reveal it yet. Obviously, he wanted a longer one because of the panniers that he's got on it, but I convinced him to get the 350mm instead of the 450mm because it looks slightly sportier, and I think it will complement the bike a lot better. So yeah, it seems very good quality. Now, I noticed on the other one that the welds are really good. You can see that the welds are actually really impressive for not the most expensive brand, but obviously not the cheapest either. But it's been made really well, so when we actually get it on the bike, I'll show you another video of the reveal of the bike, and then we'll show you the comparison of sound tests and stuff. So hopefully that'll be a really enjoyable video for me to make and show you guys. So that was my unboxing video of the Delkevic oval exhaust for my dad's bike. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, click that bell notification underneath the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!